Let's be honest, your living room is your country, but your coffee table is the battlefield. We have all been there digging through couches, cushions for the fire stick, or looking at the piles of cloud plastic remote that just ruin the vibe of your decor. But what if your tech didn't look like tech? What if it felt like art? Welcome back, makers and shakers. Today we are diving into the world of crochet remote covers and holders. Whether you are looking for a weekend project or next bestseller for your Etsy shop, these designs are absolute best game changer of your looking organization. Why crochet? Because plastic is boring, but texture is timeless. Protection: these aren't just cute, they are shock absorber. No more battery covers flying off your remote. Hits the hardboard. Aesthetic harmony on Shopify and Etsy, cozy home is a top performing niche. A sage green category with cotton sleeves turns a Roku remote into a decor piece. The anti-slip factor: we have all remote slides of the arms of the chair. Crochet provides a grip that plastic lacks. Let's talk style. If you want to sell online, you need variety. The minimalist sleeves, think neutral tones, creams, charcoals, and tans. Use a single crochet or waistcoat stitch for the leather-like look, perfect for modern farmhouse customers. The pouch potatoes, side hangers, these are massive right now. It's a weighted pocket that drapes over the arm of the sofa. Add a pocket for your phone or a snack. The novelty factor for the quirky shop, think animal shapes. Sharks, where the remote is the tongue, or the retro 80s cassette tapes designs. Use the sent yarn images that marketing. Never lose your remote in the dark again. This is the instant add to cart moment. If you are planning to stock these on Shopify or Etsy, here's a secret sauce. Standardize your size, remote vary, but most fit in small. Fire Stick, Apple TV, or large cable universe offer both. The bundle strategy: don't just sell one, sell a living room set of three. It increases your average order value and saves on shipping. Photography is the king. Don't just take a photo of the cover on the table, show it in use. A steaming cup of coffee, a soft blanket, and your crochet holder in the frame telling a story of comfort. Your home deserves to feel like created down to the very last detail. Whether you are making these to organize your own life or building a crochet empire, remember, small items often have the biggest margins. If you get inspired, hit the like button and subscribe for more handmade business tips. Now go grab your hook and let's get stitching. I'm going to see you in my next upcoming video. Till then,